Hello guys, I hope you are fine today, and today's video is very short and very important. And today we are going to insert this SD map card in Hyundai Tucson 19 plate. So this is our brand new card. You can get this for just I think 40 pounds in United Kingdom. So it's UK model Tucson, as you see. So where we will have to insert this card. So first of all, I'm gonna start up the engine. Just wait a second. Yeah, engine start. So this is our card, and you see here, this is SD map insertion. So you have to insert your SD card here. Okay, so place it like this, and then you will have to insert here. You will hear a sound of click. So on screen we are checking. The system will restart shortly. SD card inserted. Loading navigation. So just wait a minute. The Hyundai logo came up. Our Hyundai Tucson just started. So okay, it's general instruction navigation manual. Now preparing navigation. Now I'm sure obviously our navigation system will work. Okay, it's running now. Before that, we have not inserted SD map card of United Kingdom, so insufficient fuel, no problem. So this is our fuel. So now navigation is working. Okay, so whichever place you want to visit, just like I'm going to this place, it will show me the best route. Okay, north, south, east. So I hope you like this video. This video was just about SD card, or the map SD card of Hyundai Tucson, and any vehicle you can check the card should be or upside or downside the screen. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel as well for more auto and cars videos. Okay, see you, bye.